Let g be the function given by g of x is equal to x squared plus x minus 5. For what value of x in the closed interval from 0 to 3 does the average rate of change of g over that interval equal the instantaneous rate of change of g? First, the average rate of change of g in this interval is equal to g of 3 minus g of 0 over 3 minus 0. G of 3 is equal to, if we substitute 3 for x, that's 3 squared plus 3 minus 5. So 9 plus 3, that's 12 minus 5, that is equal to 7. And g of 0, if we substitute 0 for x, that's negative 5, right? That's negative 5. So this is equal to 7 minus negative 5 over 3. That's 12 over 3, so that's 4. And it says that the average rate of change of g is equal to the instantaneous rate of change of g. Instantaneous rate of change is g prime of x. So we can say that 4, which is average rate of change, is equal to g prime of x. G prime of x is 2x plus 1. So if we solve this equation, 3 is equal to 2x and x is equal to 3 over 2. The question was, what value of x does the average rate of change of g equal the instantaneous rate of change? The answer is x is equal to 3 over 2.